Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Islamic Stories for Children. Today, we will be learning about the story of Prophet Adam, peace be upon him. Prophet Adam was the first human created by Allah, and he lived in the paradise called Jannah. Allah had given him everything he needed, but he was alone and wanted a companion. Allah then created Eve, the first woman, and gave both of them a simple rule, to not eat from the tree of knowledge. But Iblis, who was a jinn, convinced them to disobey Allah, and they ate from the tree. As a result, they were sent to earth, and it was the beginning of humankind. Allah forgave them and taught them how to live on earth. They were given children and learned to build homes, plant crops, and raise animals. From this story, we learn that we must follow Allah's commands and teachings and avoid the traps of Iblis. We also learn about the importance of asking for forgiveness when we make a mistake. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Islamic stories for children. May Allah bless us all. Assalamu alaikum.